What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another price update, price prediction on GMT, which has been gaining a decent amount of value over the last 24 hours. As you can see, 23% up, making it just over $1.05 right now. So is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Or is it just time to hold? That's what we're going to be going for in today's video. A lot of people have been asking me, should I invest into it right now? Is it too late? Should I wait for it to drop down in value? So on and so on. So essentially, I'm going to be trying to cover both buyers and sellers' point of view and looking at what would be the next smart move to make on GMT, and also obviously as usual giving you guys my prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, how high and how low can GMT go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So according to Coinbase, GMT is the second top gainer in the last 24 hours, and as you can see, in the last hour itself, they managed to gain just over 2% in value. Over the last day, a massive 22%, and over the week, 66%, guys. So since about the 18th of June, 19th of June, has been performing very, very well. However, when you zoom out a little bit to the monthly chart, overall it is down 10%. It's not as bad as the other cryptos. Some cryptos are down 30, 40, 50%, and some are up about 40, 50% as well. But this is not as bad, and it's not too well as well. So it's just in between. As you can see, it was worth around let's have a look, 120, 127, even 131 on late May. But obviously with the crypto crash and that stuff that took place about a couple of weeks ago, it's gone down, but slowly starting to recover. So going onto the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 227% in the last 24 hours, making it just over $827 million in trading volume, which is a huge amount of percentage increase in trading. And a lot of people are trading the crypto right now. A huge amount of money is currently being traded. As you can see, we've got a massive 73% buy against 27% sell, meaning a lot of people are investing into it right now, holding on to it for the long run as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But before that, I'm going to hide this and I'm going to get out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we have also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line here running across the chart at the top, which is currently valuing GMT at 78 cents. However, it is trading at much higher value at $1.05, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming in here, we've got the blue line and the orange line looking bearish, going in a negative direction, looking quite bearish. So drops in value are expected over the coming hours, but again, that does not mean we're going to see a complete drop in value or a huge price drop or anything like that. It is going to be minimal, so do expect minimal drops in value over the coming hours. So towards the end of the day today, we should be at a slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment, potentially dropping to just about the dollar mark. However, that does not mean we're not going to see any peaks. Of course we will. It's very likely we're going to see it go above the $1.10, potentially to $1.15 as well, and then dropping back down in value. It's going to be quite volatile. We're going to see ups and downs. It's going to be all over the place, but the overall outcome towards the end of the day seems to just about be more on the negative side. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Still not looking too great. We still got the blue line and the orange line looking bearish, going in a negative direction. So more drops in value are expected towards the end of next week. We should again be trading below the $1 mark. However, again, that does not mean we won't be hitting 130, 140. We may be able to do that. Again, doesn't mean we're going to be hitting red days every single day for the next 7 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days, we are going to have red days. It's going to be quite volatile, but as long as the overall outcome is positive, that's all that matters. But at the moment, we are looking negative, but again, it's only for the next 7 days, guys, so it's not that major anyway, unless you're a short-term trader. So Let's move on to the daily chart. Now we're talking, guys. Now we're looking quite bullish. We're taking a complete U-turn. Both the lines are looking bullish, going in a positive direction. So an overall increase in value is what is expected over the coming weeks. So I'm talking about early August to mid-August. We should expect an overall increase in value on GMT. So guys, potentially heading above the $150 mark is what I'm expecting by mid-July to late July, and even higher than that in early August. Again, I'm taking it slowly and steadily because we don't want it to go all the way up to $2 and then the next day dropping down to $1.50, anything like that, because that's not sustainable and it's not a strong project. We want it to go up in value in a slow and steady pace. So yeah, so far so good. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But before I do that, as most of you guys may know, Bitcoin has a major role in the crypto market. If we see Bitcoin pumping up in value, we're going to see most cryptos pumping up. However, if we do see Bitcoin dropping, then we are going to see most cryptos dropping as well. So that is why I've put together a Telegram group chat where I'll show you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin every single day on what to expect. Is it going in a bullish or bearish direction? What price target is likely to hit? So on and so on. You guys can join the Telegram group chat using the link in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before this discount code expires and it jumps up to $29.99. So just to make it clear, what does this subscription include? So you're going to get put into two group chats, guys. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and as you can see, daily updates on Bitcoin as well, on what to expect, what to predict on the crypto market, and giving you guys analysis and predictions on different cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. But yeah, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, the link is again in the description box down below, ready for you guys to sign up. And back to GMT. So we are looking at the Fibonacci scale right now. As you can see, we have been trading in the red zone for quite a while, since, let's have a look here, just about a month. So 26th of May is when we dropped into the red zone, and we've been getting worse and worse, dropping all the way down to 53 cents on the 13th of June, so about 10-15 days ago. And right now we are slowly starting to pick up in value. We did try to hit the green zone earlier today, however we did resist, and it is currently fluctuating just at the resistance target, which is $1.05 here. As you can see, this trading between 104 and 105 over the last couple of minutes as I'm recording the video. So potentially is likely we are going to go into the green zone later on today and then drop back down into the red zone. So yeah, it is resisting, and once we break out the resistance target, the next target will be, let's have a look, $1.64, which I'm hoping to hit over the next couple of weeks. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes on GMT, guys. Let me know what your expectations and what your predictions are on this crypto. How high or how low can this crypto hit in 2022? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. A massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as well, because I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers as soon as possible. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.